Hi guys, how are you doing? It's Orchid Lover here. It's back. Since many of you asking me how do I do these things here, the community, I'm going to focus it now. This community, meaning you can post anything like that in advance whenever you want to know your subscribers or followers or friends here in YouTube. If you want them to follow you, or let them know in advance what is your next video that you're going to post in the future. Okay guys, simply I'm gonna show this to you. You go here, you go to plus in the subscriber here. Okay, you gotta get like that, and after you do that, you see this one here in the bottom of your name here. Say my name, Orchid Lover. You could see home here. You see the arrow that I pointed. Home here, videos, playlist, and then next to playlist is community right here. This is what we're gonna make video today. This is my topic. I know this is out of topic and this is not about the plants or orchids, but I'm gonna show it to you because since this video is a random, I can share anything here. I can share mixed video either for my plants, my orchids, or anything veggies, or anything my activity. So since I'm gonna do this today, I'm doing this and I'm gonna show it to you properly. So this one, community, this is the one we make today. Channels and about. So just click this one right here. See this one in the X. I'm gonna focus the camera properly. Click that one. Now you wait a bit, and this is what I'm gonna say here. Once you click this community right here, like that, once you click this is how it shows. So what's on your mind, it shows here. What's on your mind right here, this one here, what's on your mind. So if you want to add an existing YouTube video, if you want to do advanced to let your people know or your follower know, so you have to click video, poll, or image. Often I did it is image. You have to type here, hi guys, like this. Hi guys, this is our new video upload. Enjoy. Please enjoy. Thank you. So I'm gonna go with the image now. Blah blah blah. Dot there. And now this time I'm gonna put the image here. Okay, so it says here, to make it properly on you guys, I'll do it clearly, explanation as much as I can. So after I tap the message here, so I'm gonna drag and select or GIF here, or select the photos. So you can select the photos. So once you select the photos, there's a lot of videos that or photos that you need in your file upload, either in your desktop. I'm gonna focus it on either to go in your desktop right here. I'm gonna drag this now so I know where it is. Get here, desktop, other objects, desktop, documents. So you can find anything here in the documents or desktop, or you're gonna go to document, you go in the downloads. So let's say for example, I'm gonna do this. Click that picture here, the one that you want. You guys already know that. Click the pictures, then open, select open. There you go. And this is what they look like. Okay, so it says here, hi guys, this is our new blog, blah blah blah. Thank you. So you could say see you soon. so whatever you want to write, and then to attract your followers or subscribers. So you want to reposition it, click like that, or save reviews, or that's what I was doing. So it says here visible in the public. So it's visible in the public right here in my arrow, visible in public, visibility in the public. Alright, that's already shown in the public. So after you adjust this or this or that or in the center, you have to save it. Click the save review right there, the blue one, so you can see. Click that one, and after you click that, you have to go down in the bottom again, this blue one. It says post. So once you post it, you wait for a bit, and wait for a bit. There you are. In the 3 seconds, it shows up like this, exactly what you type right here. That's simple as it is. In another video, I'm gonna show you. It's this is only how I make image. All right, in this community here on the top. This community on the top. So this time, let's drag the video. So we went into image right here, image there. So this time I will choose the video. Where are you, video? There you go. So when I choose the video, the same thing, click this one, and whatever video you want to post here. Wait, I'm gonna go get the video. Of course, you have to go back there. Now wait for a bit. I'm gonna get some of this video that I did yesterday. This video, I'm gonna put this into share. Hang on. Once I click that video, once you click this video, that what you want to post, the new video, of course, or anything that coming before you do live streaming or short live stream, you do this, and you have to get the links on them. Share, click the share. So there is one that you're gonna choose, so you have to get the link here, right here in the bottom. I'm gonna focus, guys, right here. So you highlight that. Once you click it, and then you have to double click, and no, not double click, just one click, so it's highlight. Copy, or you paste it, I mean you copy it, sorry, you copy it and put the X on them. Now you go back to where you were. Where are we? You go back here in your main account right there. Once you go back in your main account, just go back to your channel. Now you wait for a bit. Now we are here again in the main center. Go back here in the community right there, and let's go again for the second time that we have to get shared to you guys. Okay, dear friends, my kababayan, fellow kababayan, and my friends here locally or anywhere in the world, there you are. I'm gonna click the video now. We, as I said before, we did image, right? And by that I did choose image, and I put these words here, and this is the results. So like that, and then the second one I have to do, I choose the video. Alright, when I choose the video, it's click here. See YouTube. I'm gonna focus it, guys. Bear with me. YouTube, type search blah 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 blah, and then video search on the top. URL, you have a choices here, your YouTube video, so you have to click the URL. Alright, so once you click the URL, guys, you have to put this arrow here. Of course, once this one is blinking, you are gonna put the paste, and voila, this is our new video that I was downloaded yesterday or earlier today. I downloaded it, and then once you got this link of yours, and then this one is up, and then select. Once you select the blue one, and you can say whatever you want to say here, like that, and to say hello, hi there, whitey friends, and fam, here is the new video that we upload today, and it will be in live stream for about blah blah blah, whatever you want to say, you know. It's a live stream for about, this will be in live stream for about, it says 30 minutes, and hope to see you there, and hope to see you there. Thank you so much. Thanks everyone. That's it, guys. So whatever you want to type, you know, to encourage, be friendly with your subscribers, that's it. And then after you do that, you satisfy that, type whatever words you want to say, and then this one is already here, link, and you're gonna click this blue thing and post. You wait for a second while this one is on. Voila, 2 seconds later it's here. There you are. Voila, this is the one that I was going to ask some of you subscribers, some of their subscribers asked how we gonna do, or we're gonna go here in the community, how we gonna post it, and they said why they don't have it. So simply, when I was the new beginner for this YouTube, in the YouTube world account, of course when you just catching up the 1,000 subscribers, or you didn't even arrive there yet, or you did arrive yet, I think they don't really show this, because this one is just suddenly shows up on me. So when I click that, I studied it, and when I click it, so I learned, I read, and then after I read, when I learned about it, I don't know, I just found out it by accidentally, really not accidentally, I just studied it, and after I studied it, I try to post the pictures like this first, and you see what I did here. A lot of actually I did begin it when I was putting it when this, I think so, that was the Christmas time. Where is it? There you go. Yeah, that was 4 months ago. I just discovered this, and this is what it says here. That's it. And then more and post, and then I get addicted to it, so it makes me wonder what happened with the YouTube those things. So I just clicked the video, then after I was playing with the photos, I clicked the video, and this is what happened. It's pretty cool because you can see here, see that was 16 hours ago, I got 55 views. So thanks for you all their subscribers. We are really thank you so much from the bottom of our hearts that you are still following us. Even to our silent subscribers, thank you guys. Keep coming back so we can make more videos in the future, okay? I think that's all for today, guys, and I hope you learned something from this things that we're showing today. Thank you so much, guys, and enjoy. Have a good day, Orchid lover in Australia. Emms here. To those of you wondering what's my name, it's Emms here. Just call me Emms. Thank you so much. Thank you, my kababayan who requested me. To those of you, here it is now for you guys, just for you. Enjoy, and I hope we are in this together, just helping each other, guys, para aangat tayo sa taas. So we're gonna go up on the top, and we will gain our main purpose here, to become a monetize, and we'll be happy for you guys. And so thank you so much, and have a good day. Take care for now. Bye bye. That's it here.